Hello everyone, welcome to a new video of maths. Today we are going to cover the sets question exercise number 1.2 from the NCERT textbook. This can be used as a practice problem for NIOS set theory chapter. Before going to the video, I would like you to subscribe to the channel, give it a thumbs up if you like the video and share it with your friends. So the first topic that we have to see before doing this exercise 1.2 is empty sets, finite sets, infinite sets and equal sets. We have to know what are the meanings of these sets. So if you consider empty sets, the meaning is the set will not have any of the elements. That means it will be empty. Consider an example where you have got students from class 10 and student from class 12. So a set that contains the students from class 10 and class 12. So is that possible that a student can be from both the classes? That's impossible. So we will not have any elements like that in our set. So such a set is known as empty set, or you can say a null set or a void set. So you can refer to it as phi. Okay. Next set is finite set. And what is the meaning of finite set is you will have a finite number of elements in your set. For example, set of natural number less than 10. So you know it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Less than equal to 10. If it is less than equal to 10, you will have 10 in the list. So you have these elements in your list. So that type of set is known as finite set. Infinite set can be set of all the natural numbers. So natural number starts with 1. So it is 1. Then comes 2, 3. It goes on. So you are not going to get an end element and it will be going till infinity. So this kind of elements or this kind of set is known as infinite set. Then comes equal sets. Equal sets means two sets are there. You will have element in one set as 1, 2, 3, 4. Consider this is one set. Another set is having 3, 2, 4, 1. Okay, this is another set. Both the sets are said to be equal because the elements what you have in the first set A and the elements in the second set B both are same. So if you see, it is 1, 2, 3 and 4 only, and it is 1, 2, 3, 4. Both are equal. You can say A equal to B. If they are not equal, we say A not equal to B. So equal set is this kind of set. So hope you understood what are the meanings of these sets, and based on this we are going to do the questions from exercise 1.2 NCERT textbook. So the first question, let's see what it is. Which of the following are examples of null set? Null set means empty set. You will not have any element in that. So let's see the first thing. First question says set of odd natural numbers. Odd natural numbers divisible by 2. Okay. So any number which is divisible by 2 is even number. Okay. It's not going to be odd number. That is the first thing you have to know. So it will be even number. So you will not have such a set where this kind of condition exists. So you can say this is not possible, or you can say this is an empty set and represented by 5. So it's a null set. This first one is a null set. Then comes second one, that is set of even prime numbers. Even prime numbers, you have a list of elements that is 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. These can be set of prime numbers. Okay, the number which is divisible by itself and 1. So these are the number in my list. Okay, so even prime number means these all are odd numbers, so only you have 2 in the list. Since element is present in the set, it is a not null set or not empty set. So this is not a null set. Okay, the third one says x is natural number, x less than 5, and x greater than 7. So is that possible? Any number which is less than 5. These are the list. And then greater than 7, that is 8, 9, 10, it goes on. So do you have any natural number where you have got something common here? No. So that is not possible. So they are not going to give you a result. So this set is again a null set. Y is a common point to any two parallel lines. So if you have got parallel lines, it will be like this. They are not going to meet at any point of time. Okay, parallel lines never meet at any point. And if they meet, we are not going to say it's a parallel line. Okay. So these are the two lines. And do you have a common point in them? You are not going to get a common point anywhere in any two parallel lines. So this set is again a null set. So these first, third and fourth are null set. Second one is not null. Okay, so, or we can say it is empty set. Hope you understood this question. Let's move on to the second question. Which of the following sets are finite or infinite? So you have to find out which are finite and infinite. So we know what is the definition of finite. Finite is with finite number of elements. Infinite means number of elements which is it goes to infinity. Okay, you don't know where it ends. First one is the set of months of a year. So months of an year, you have got 12 months, that is finite. You can say this is a finite set. Second one is 1, 2, 3 and it goes till infinity. So this set is not going to end anywhere. You don't know where it ends. So it is infinite set. Again, the third question says 1, 2, 3. Here you have numbers in between and it ends at 100. That means this set goes on and here you have a limit. So this kind of set is known as finite set. Next one is the set of positive integers greater than 100. So positive integers greater than 100 means you can see 101, 102, 103, it goes on and it's not told in the set where it ends. So again it is infinite set. Okay, this is infinite. Let's go to the last question. The set of prime numbers less than 99, that is prime numbers less than 99. So you know where is the ending. 99 is till 99 it will go. So and the prime number starts from 2. So 2, 3, like that it goes on. Okay, so it and still 99, not beyond that. So you have some limited number of elements in your set. We call it as finite set. Hope you understood what is the difference between finite and infinite. Let's move on to the third question. Next question is again infinite and finite. You have to find out from the set the set of lines which are parallel to x-axis. Okay, so set of lines which are parallel to x-axis means you have got a graph like this. Okay, x-axis and this is y-axis. So the set of lines which are parallel to your x-axis are these. Consider it is A, B, C. Okay, these lines are parallel to your x-axis. Now the set of lines which are parallel to x-axis means an infinite number of lines you can draw. Still the range is not told here. So this set will be infinite set. The next one is set of letters in the English alphabet. English alphabet, you have 26 alphabets in your English, that is limited or finite number of elements. So it's a finite set. Set of numbers which are multiple of 5. So multiple of 5 means you will have first element as 5, then comes 10, 15, 20, it goes on. The range is not told here till what it ends, it is not told. So this is an infinite set. Next one is set of animals living on the earth. So I hope these two questions can be done, and share the answer in your comments. Next question is, in the following state whether A equal to B or not. So A and B, you have to find out these two sets are equal or not. Okay, so we know what is the definition. Both sets should have similar elements, same elements. Okay, so first set A has A, B, C, D. B has same A, B, C and D, 4 elements, and the same elements, so these two are equal. So equal sets. 4, 8, 12, 16. Here it is 4, 8, 16 and 18. They are not same. So we say these are not equal. Next one is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Is the first element. Cut. First set has 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. Then let's find out what is there in B set. B set has x is positive, even integer and x less than 10. So you will have positive even integer. So 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. So these are the elements 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Both are same. A and B, if you check, they are same. So this is an equal set. A element has multiple of tens. That is 10, 20, 30, 40, it goes on. Here you have 10, 15, 20. So extra things are also here. They are not same, not equal. A not equal to B. Next question is, are the following pair of sets equal? Give reasons. So let's check the first set, that is A. A has element 2 and 3. B set has element as x, where x is the solution of this. Okay, so let's write it down. X square plus 5x plus 6 equal to 0. This is the equation. You have to find the solution of x here. So let me tell you, this can be done using the factorization method. And 6, find out the prime factors of this one. Let me write the first number, that is 2. First natural number, that is starting with 2. If you write 1 also, you will get the same number, so no need to do using that. And then find out the factors of this one. Okay, so it's starting with 2. 2 into 3 will give you 6. So again, if you want to do, you will not be able to do this because these are the prime factors. So 2 and 3 are the resulting prime factors of this 6. So you have to arrange it in such a way that after adding, you can see a symbol here, after adding you have to get a plus 5 as the result, and you have to get by multiplying as 6. Hope you understood. Add them and get a 5 and multiply them and get a 6. So by multiplying you will get 6, obviously, because these are the prime factors 2 and 3. So let me arrange it here. X square plus 2x plus 3x plus 6 will give you 0. I have not changed anything other than this 5x. I have written it as 2x plus 3x. Okay, no change. Next thing is, consider these two terms, first two terms, and then take common out of them. So you can see here x square, that is x into x is available here. Here you have got only 1x. So take 1x outside. That means you have only common that. Okay. Then if you check here, x square, out of x square only 1x is remaining because already 1x you have taken as common, plus x you have taken common here, so only 2 is remaining, that is 2 into 1. So this will be the thing from the first two terms. Similar way you have to do these two terms also. Write this 3 in this. If you see, check the last two terms, if you see, 3 is common, 3, and here it is 3 into 2, that is 6. So take 3 common and then what is remaining here? X is remaining plus 2 is remaining is equal to 0. Okay, since you have taken 3 here, only 2 is remaining here. Now consider this first term and this second term. Since they are separated by plus, this is first term, this is second term. When two terms are separated by plus or minus, it becomes first term and second term accordingly. Here, if you check again, from both the terms, this portion, that is x plus 2, is common in both of them, that you can separately write outside and then put a bracket and find out what is remaining from the first term. So you have x remaining from here plus this 3 is remaining from the second term is equal to 0. That means this term multiplied by this term will give you a 0. That means one of them is 0 for sure. That is either x plus 2 is equal to 0 or x plus 3 is equal to 0. So we can say x is equal to minus 2. This 2 comes to the other side. It is minus 2. X is equal to minus 3. So two values can be possible for x, that is minus 2 and minus 3. Minus 2, minus 3. And if you check both the sets, they are not equal. One is 2, 3 and another one is minus 2, minus 3. So that's the reason they are not equal. This question is, A set has element x where x is the letter from the word follow. So the set of letters will be F, O, L. O is already written. This one. Okay. And B set has the element as letter in the word wolf. So wolf will have W, O, L and F. No repetition. So W, O, L. You see both of them, they have the same elements to B. From the sets given below, select the equal sets. So here you can check. A set has 2, 4, 8 and 12. So if you check 2, 4, 8, 12 is not here anywhere. So A doesn't have a matching element with anything. Then check B. B is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So B and D matches. So B is equal to D set. Then comes C, that is 4, 8, 12 and 14. So again, you don't have same element similar to your C. Then comes E, minus 1, 1. So E and G are equal sets. F and H are not equal because the elements are different. So only you have E and G and B and D as the equal set. Okay. Hope you understood this exercise. And if you have got doubts, please do comment in the comment section. If you liked this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.